In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member or an accountant to Xero. Whether you're expanding your team, partnering with an accountant, or simply sharing access with someone who can help manage your finances, it's important to know how to efficiently and securely invite new users within Xero. Now, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Xero website and log into your account using your credentials. This is your starting point for all tasks within Xero, so it's crucial to ensure you're on the official site to maintain your account security. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Settings option. You'll typically find this option on the dashboard. Click on it to continue. Navigating from the Settings menu, the next destination you'll seek out is Users. By clicking on Users, you'll find yourself in the section where you can manage who has access to your Xero account. It's here that you control the permissions and access levels of each individual associated with your account, making it a pivotal step for delegating tasks securely. Within this Users section, you'll notice an option labeled Invite a User. Click on this to begin adding a new individual to your Xero account. You're now about to enter the information required to invite your member or accountant. This part is essential, so take your time to ensure accuracy. A form will appear that needs to be filled out with details of the person you wish to invite. You'll need the first and last name, as well as a valid email address for the invitee. Remember, this email address is where their invitation will be sent, so accuracy is key. Now, you'll also have some important choices regarding permissions. Xero allows you to customize the level of access everyone has, which means you can tailor a user's access to the needs of your business. You might want your accountant to access financial reports fully, for instance, while a team member might only need limited access to specific tasks. These options are there to safeguard the data and activities in your Xero account, so be sure to select permissions that match the role and responsibilities of the person you're inviting. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and selected the appropriate permission levels, you're ready to move forward. Look for the Send Invite button and click on it. This action will send an invitation email to the individual you've just added, allowing them to accept and gain access to your Xero account according to the permissions you've set. And there you have it. Simple, straightforward, and secure. You've successfully invited a new member or accountant to your Xero account.